Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We're here in beautiful downtown Pine Hills, Florida. On Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Had a lot of rains lately here in Central Florida. Gonna do a little repair here. It's creating an issue with a lot of roofs, but I want to show you something real quick on this roof. What we probably could have done to prevent this giant, costly repair. Hold on. We've got a large hole that has developed here, and the interior of this ceiling has caved in, but one of the big problems that we have up here is all this debris on the roof, and I try to tell people the greatest thing to do for roof maintenance is keep debris off the roof. This leaves, moss, pine needles, dirt, it collects, and then it allows the water to get trapped, it allows the animals to burrow in it, it allows a lot of things to happen that shouldn't. It doesn't take a lot to get up here, or call a roof guy to get up here and keep this debris off the roof. Because of this, we've opened up a large hole here. I imagine about the size of a basketball. It's gonna be really difficult to repair because I'm not gonna have a good surface to attach anything to, but we're gonna try to throw some modified on here real quick and see if we can't just minimize, kind of mitigate a little bit of this. Anyway, just thought I'd show you guys what we're up to today on Independence Day. This is Sean, your roof guy with XLR8 Roofing. You guys be blessed.